Welcome. We're here at West Georgia Street in Granville. We're doing a tour of the FIFA setup. Granville Street is going to be closed from here going to the west for the next month. And they're just finishing their setup on the area. I wanted to show what is going on here. So over here is the station. This is Vancouver City Centre Station. The Canada line. And right beside it, at the Pacific Centre entrance, they got a huge soccer ball. It has lights on it, so it must light up at night. It's got like Christmas lights here. It's metal and plastic. They have these barriers, these pink barriers here that are blocking off the cars. And Meridian, so that no cars can get on the sidewalk here. As we go to the west here, where they're still setting up here, they've set up more on the far west and they're working their way to the east. Today is June 10th. They're supposed to be done their setup today. They have some interesting bench here, yellow bench here. They call it a banana bench. And here's the good luck cat. They got love van with flowers around it and a bench for pictures. Here they're unloading with U-Hauls to get all the stuff out. And we're continuing west on Granville, just coming up to Robson. They have a Canada mural here that they're installing right now. Washroom. Here's like a placing podium with 1, 2, 3 for the teams that win, the countries that win. Here's a big piece of art that says "Love Vancouver," and they've blocked off the street here with this setup. And this is Granville and Robson right here. So they have the all walk here. Businesses are open still during the FIFA. And this setup, once it's finished, will be here for a month until the games are completed. They're creating these outdoor seating areas. The carpenters are cutting on site and creating these compartments to put tables and covering. And the construction workers are hard at work here.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Thanks for the shout out.
They got the mushrooms here. Different pieces of art. New benches here that they've painted, created on site. They're mixture of metal with wood combination. And they have a landscape company here, the Green Space Design and Decor. They're installing these plant areas. They have ladders and fertilizer. And they're installing plants on light poles.
Like right now,
And here's more benches. And they have these mushroom seats here. in the Canadian colors, red and white. And here's some more plant decorations. And the carpenters, they're working on these enclosures for seating for the different bars here that are going to be watching the games and celebrating here. They got these art features here with trees and beavers that they're going to be installing. This is all supposed to be completed today, and then tomorrow they're going to be installing some art on the ground. And as we come up to Smythe Street and Granville here, they haven't fully closed off this, but they have these construction concrete blocks here that are deterring vehicles from entering the area. And we're continuing west on Granville Street. Over here they've completed some of the outdoor seating areas where they've installed these things they fabricated these benches on site for drinking and enjoying your experience during the FIFA Cup. And here's some of the completed benches. This one here, the red one, where people are enjoying alcohol and food outside. They have also umbrellas for rain. People are going to be playing live music in this area since it's closed off. They have these giant statues, soccer statues. There's 2 of them so far. East is the Selfie Central and Enchanted Forest, and west is awesome art and rainbow realness. And here's some soccer ball chairs. Just wanted to sit in it and see if it was comfortable. It's like wooden chair. And here's a giant soccer ball. You can scan these art pictures to see the story behind it. And they got the mainstream news here. They're doing a story about this, trying to get their own views up. See, this is the mainstream news. And the carpenters are hard at work here building these benches and eating areas. And they're unloading the more barricades so that cars cannot enter the area. And here's a soccer statue with a big soccer ball. They're installing the barricades so the cars can't enter. This is at Granville and Nelson Street. Over here they have like forklifts and booms. Excuse me. They've cautioned off the area because they're doing some work on the poles and the flags. They're using it to install them across the area here. They have the Canadian colors. They've installed ropes here from side to side, And then they're hanging these flag things here.
We will be able to put the TVs on the boat.
Are you in?
And they're installing more benches over here. Hammock Street in Granville here.
Who's this patio then?
It's just the common sense things. Like when you're always like
And as we come up to Davie Street, this looks like it's going to be the ending location for the closed off street here. They have barricades on the other side, on the west side of Davie Street. They're still installing a bunch of things here. They got action glass. They're installing stuff here. They got different seating stuff and art. I'm not art, please do not touch me. That's what that one thing says there. And here's the ending of the closed off area, which is still under construction on June 10th, but it should be ready by this weekend. Well, it should be ready by the end of Friday, because the first game will be on Saturday, June 12th. All right, I hope you enjoyed the tour, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for your time.